Hello everyone, feel welcome. We all know that conclusion in any given research is based on data analysis results. Now today I'm going to give you a list of the best and easiest softwares to use in data analysis during your research. The first one is Jamovi, it is here. Then we have SPSS, here it is. Next is Microsoft Excel. Then we have RStudio. Next is JASP, here it is. Then we have Python, we have it here. Next is Python, here it is. Now only Python and RStudio here require a little bit of coding knowledge and you are good to proceed with data analysis. The rest have fully functional spreadsheets or functionalities. So you only need to open your data, click a few tabs or commands, you have your output and proceed to interpret the results. That's it for today. Let's meet next time.